Hello everyone, welcome to Fomo Store. If you have received your Fomo Store MacBook laptop skin, relax. We've got you covered. Before we begin, make sure you're working in a well-lit area with bright lighting for the best result. What's in the package? Based on your selection, your package will include the toplet skin, palmlet skin, and the bottom skin. You'll receive a cleaning kit that contains a dust absorber, wet wipes, a microfiber cloth. Installing the toplet skin. Start by cleaning the laptop's toplet with the wet wipe provided. Dry the surface using the microfiber cloth. Use the dust absorber to remove any remaining dust particles. Don't worry if your exact laptop model isn't shown, this method works for most models. Now peel off the main toplet skin from the release paper and flip it upside down as shown in the video. Reattach the skin to the backing paper, leaving about half an inch gap at the top and the right side. Align the toplet skin carefully with your laptop. Once perfectly aligned, press down gently on the exposed area. If it's misaligned, you can lift and reposition it. Just avoid stretching the skin. Slowly slide down the packing paper diagonally, 1 to 2 inches at a time, and press the exposed skin firmly. Repeat this process until the full skin is applied. Now, peel off the top bar skin, align carefully and press it firmly as shown. Peel off the touchpad area skin, align it as shown and press gently. Don't worry if you touch the adhesive. This is premium vinyl that retains its stickiness even after handling. Next, peel off the palm rest skin, flip it upside down and partially reattach it to the release paper. Align it carefully and press down the exposed part. Then just like before, slide down the backing paper 1 to 2 inches at a time, pressing firmly as you go. Now peel off the bottom skin from the release paper and flip it upside down as shown in the video. Reattach the skin to the backing paper, leaving about gap of circle as shown in the video at the top and right side. Align the bottom skin with the circles carefully with your laptop. Once perfectly aligned, press down gently on the exposed area. If it is misaligned, you can lift and reposition it. Just avoid stretching the skin. Slowly slide down the packing paper diagonally 1 to 2 inches at a time and press the exposed skin section firmly. Repeat this process until the full skin is applied. That's it. Your MacBook now looks stunning with your Fomo Store skin. Thank you for choosing Fomo Store.